Hi there! Here are your top news stories from eWeek, sponsored by Dell and Intel. Today's topics include Microsoft's plans to move .NET to the cloud, an expansion of T-Mobile's monthly rollover offer, surprising results from a recent Reuters poll on smartwatches, and the implications of a new system application in Android 5.1. Until now, Microsoft has closely guarded its developer base, forcing developers to adhere to either-or scenarios of Java versus .NET or open source versus Microsoft. But now, Microsoft is taking .NET to places it has never been or would never even venture: cross-platform, open source, and to the cloud. Microsoft is using its .NET development framework as the linchpin in an effort to further open its environments to the cloud and attract more developers to its ranks. T-Mobile's monthly rollover data stash offer, which allows contract customers to roll over their unused data for future use for up to a year, is now being expanded to T-Mobile's prepaid customers. That means that prepaid T-Mobile customers who don't use up all of their data allotment each month will be able to save it up for up to a year to use it in months where their data needs are greater. The Data Stash program for prepaid customers will begin to be rolled out to T-Mobile Simple Choice prepaid customers on March 22nd. A new Reuters Ipsos poll asserts that some 69% of Americans say that they don't plan to buy the latest smartwatches reaching the market, including the Apple Watch. Apple, meanwhile, is also reportedly pulling competing smartband products, such as the Jawbone Up and Nike Plus Fuel Band, from Apple stores in preparation for the launch of the Apple Watch on April 24th. The study also said that only about half of the 1,245 Americans who were surveyed between March 9th and March 13th about the Apple Watch had even heard of the device so far. A new system application in Android 5.1 Lollipop has some Google watchers wondering if the company might be planning to operate a VPN service for Android users. Tech website Pocketables discovered the application, dubbed Google Connectivity Services, when poking around the recently released Android firmware update on a Google Nexus 6. Android police speculated the Connectivity Services application in Android 5.1 could relate to Google's plans to become a mobile virtual network operator in the US. Thanks for watching. Follow the links on this page to learn more about the stories mentioned in this broadcast, and check back every weekday for another daily tech briefing from eWEEK.com.